Lalabasan yung wrinkles, yung signs of aging, kasi itong balat natin nababawasan yung elasticity niya, nababawasan yung capability niya na mag-hold ng moisture. Ngayon, hatulan na natin itong Freshies by Juju Glow. Sabi dito sa kanilang website, meron siyang 80,000 milligrams ng hydrolyzed collagen. Bakit ako pumapalakpak? Marami kasing supplement sa TikTok na hindi naman siya na-absorb ng sikmura natin. Pero since itong Juju Glow, hydrolyzed yung collagen content niya, mas maganda yung absorption niya sa sikmura. Sabi dito sa study ni Aguirre Cruz, collagen hydrolysates for skin protection on oral administration and topical formulation. Sa conclusion, hydrolyzed collagen is a protein that can be easily absorbed into human plasma. It is safe and has benefits on the skin and biocompatibility. Another study by Dr. Miranda, Effects of Hydrolyzed Collagen Supplementation on Skin Aging. This is a systematic review and meta-analysis. Collagen supplements can delay and improve the signs of aging by decreasing facial wrinkles and improving skin hydration and elasticity. Also, meron din siyang L-carnitine na nakakatulong for fat burning and probiotics para sa ating gut health. Good job!